For 21 years, we've been serving alongside you. Today, tomorrow, and for years to come, we stand at the ready with you, while you remain vigilant, watchful, and ready. When I am called to duty, I uphold the values of my union with great honour and with great responsibility. I recognise that my commitment to protect the community sits alongside our commitment to protect each other. Through our mateship, we face the flames, we face our fate, and through fire and water, strength and unity, together we fight. Erickson flies, builds, and innovates aircraft for firefighters like you. Proud to support firefighters and agencies serving Australia since 1997.